Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name's Jen and I am a self-taught nail enthusiast. And in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this month's Your Nail Lab in a box, and this is a very special box because it was a collaboration with none other than Baby Girl Nails. She is a YouTuber and an influencer, and she has curated all of the items in this month's box, and I'm so excited to see what she has chosen for us. So without further ado, let's start the unboxing. Okay, so firstly, when you open this month's box, you get a beautiful letter written by Jamie, I believe her name is, or Baby Girl Nails. I'll have her channel linked down below because she is creating beautiful free content for all of you, so go check her out and send some love her way. It says, I'm so excited to show you guys everything that's in this month's box. As you all may know, I'm a huge lover of everything related to nails, so I'm really excited to show you guys what I've curated for this month's box. If you end up loving this selection and want more, feel free to use my code BABYGIRLSNAILS on Makartt.com for 15% off. Hope you enjoy everything in this box, and if you create nails using these products, don't forget to tag me at BabyGirlNails. So, I will be sure and tag her in the look that I create. I already know exactly what I'm gonna do. Okay, so the first item are these beautifully milled, fine milled glitters. Now, I'm not going to take them out because I can kind of see there's a little bit of spillage. So basically, they are just all shades of red. Some have like a greenish reflect or an orange and like silver reflect, but they're all red glitters, and they are so finely milled that not only can you use them as like an encapsulation, but you can also sprinkle them over the top of your nail for that like velvety, like fuzzy, glittery look, which I absolutely love, and that's how I intend to use them. The next item are some red rhinestones. On the Makartt video, they actually said that Jamie specifically picked these because it was really hard to find like really good quality red rhinestones. So not only do they have them in this container, but they've also provided us with refills in the varying sizes, which I think that's awesome because you never get refills on these things, and they are really pretty. Like the shine on them is stunning. They're like just little red rubies. Oh god, gorgeous. Okay, next are these pearls, and they're not just like your regular old pearls. Sorry, it is so hard to open with such long nails. And in case you missed my last video, it was a simple fall look that I did with the Bella Vina mini gel kit and some of their gel polishes. So I'll have that video linked above and down below for you guys to go check out. So there are like some regular pearls, but then there are some flat backed ones. There's like iridescent ones. There are multicolored ones, and then these beautiful like gold rimmed flat back ones. Oh my god, stunning. They're like pieces of jewelry, you know what I mean? And my personal favorite out of this box are these red rubies that are lined with white crystals. This is like the highlight, the showstopper of any like gemmed or bedazzled nail, if you will. I cannot wait to put one of these or multiple of these on my nails when I do this look. Ugh. Like those were jewelry. This is like, you would see this on a necklace. Like this is absolutely stunning. So I can't wait to play with those. And coming right up are basically the same as the red rhinestones, but we have black. I have never seen a black rhinestone before, so I'm really excited to try these out. And I think some of these are like a matte silver. Honestly, this screams Christmas to me, but it also screams like a gothic like nail look, especially with these ones. I've never seen a rhinestone this color before. I don't even know if I can like pick one up. Where is my picker-upper tool? Oh, it's not in the case. Let's see if I can get one for you guys. That is so beautiful. It's like a matte, it's like gunmetal shade crystal. Wow, that's really cool. Okay, can't wait to use that. Let me put this back in the case where it belongs so I can find it next time. All right, next are the duet polishes. Okay, so I wanted to grab a sheet of paper so I could just swatch these. Are a duet in rouge and violet. Holy mother of pearl. I told you I should just unbox this stuff before I film. I don't know why. I don't learn. All right, rouge. Oh no, violet. Coming to the stage is this beautiful purple shimmery shade. It's not so much glitter, it's shimmer. It's not like a thick glittery color. Let me just kind of spread it out so you can see. It's not like thick, chunky glitter, like I said. It's more like just a shine. Almost like, you know those lip toppers that have like very fine glitter in them? That's what this reminds me of. And this is rouge, and this has a more of like a reflective glitter in it, but again, it's very, very, very fine glitter. It's one of those colors that is more jelly, but on a second coat, it becomes more opaque. Like it could become more of like a burgundy color, but if you wanted that jelly feel to it, it would be more like a pinky color. So I'm gonna kind of like thin this out so you can see the difference. So yeah, I mean, this is like, I've never actually done a look using a purple like this before. It's an attractive shade, but my eye goes to the red. That to me, like, I mean, I'm wearing red today and it's just one of those colors that I'm more drawn to, but I would still like to play with this purple because I feel like I could do some beautiful things with it, and those like gunmetal crystals, like I think I could make a look out of that. So coming right up is a polygel in Stellar Red. Okay, I can already tell that this Stellar Red color is going to be beautiful before I even get it out. Look at that sparkle. Oh God, that's stunning. So yes, there is some chunky glitter in there and it's beautiful. I cannot wait to get this on my fingers. Lord have mercy. I cannot wait to get this on my fingers. This and the rouge color, it's a match made in heaven. It screams Christmas. I was going to do a Christmas look, and maybe I still will. Maybe I'll do two. But I found this like goth-inspired nail look, and I also want to try to do something with this color and this other polygel, which is Cosmo Black. Let me go open that. Okay, this is stunning. I just thought this was like a black polygel with like silver flecks in it. No, no, no. This is a black polygel with multicolored glitter in it. And I just saw these things on Shein. They looked like little planets. They were like little planet like gems. Oh God, those and this, that would be beautiful together. I want to like spread this out a little bit so you can see its magic, because I feel like you can't tell what I am seeing right now and I sound crazy. But let me just fly. OMG. Do you see this gorgeousness? Even when they did their like nail tutorial video on Instagram, Makartt that is, I could not tell that this was that beautiful. Look at that. There's like purple and blue and silver and pink. Oh my God, that's so cute. That is so cute. All right, come on, Makartt. They just blow my mind every time I unbox one of these boxes. Now, for the final item, I always leave the best for last, but these are the Stiletto XXL full cover nail pump-ups, and I am so excited to pop these open and see what they actually look like. Why can I never open your boxes? Oh my Lord. Well, okay, kind of made a mess there. I hope I'm not messing up the sizes right now. These are huge. These are probably the longest stiletto nails. Actually, do I own stiletto nails? I don't think I do. So that's pretty exciting. I have almond, but I don't think I have stilettos. These are gorgeous. They are just a little bit longer than what I have on now, and I think that's just for the point. They're gonna be the longest nail that I've ever put on my finger, but I'm okay with that. They're really pretty. The shape of them is stunning. Now, they do include glue in these. I don't use glue usually to apply my tips. I might start though, just so I can take my tips off sooner. Yeah, I might start using glue to apply my tips just so that I can get them off quicker, because typically I have to file them and then soak them, and that's like a whole thing, and honestly, it's tiring and it's just too much work for me. So I've never had an issue with their sizing. I think they're gonna fit me perfectly. I don't think these are gel. I don't know that any of Makartt nails are gel. I am surprised they haven't come out with like a jelly kit like every other company has, to be honest with you. I just want to like test the strength of these things really quickly. They bend, I mean, through the back as usual. Let's see. Ooh, these bent back better than the other ones that I had. But like I said, I just filmed a video, I don't know when it's gonna come out, where I was like kind of comparing all of my tips together. I had their natural colored ones and they were not very strong at all, but these seem pretty good. I'm excited about these. I'm excited to do like a long stiletto shape. I don't think I've ever done that shape on my channel here before, and I think that I'm gonna make like the sassiest, fanciest, bejeweled nail look that I have ever done before, because I have all of these things in front of me, so why not? So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna cure this stuff, and then we'll come back for my final evaluation. Okay, here are the cured swatches. They don't look much different than they did before. I can't, you don't understand. Makartt, baby girl nails. I understand the assignment, and you better watch out, because I'm gonna create something fantastic. So, I'm obsessed with everything in this box, as you can tell, and I cannot wait to make something magical, beautiful, something you have never seen from me before. That sounds so bad. But I'm gonna create a look. So with that being said, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Go check out my social media. Make sure you are following me on there and interacting there as well. Comment down below what you would like to see me create with this stuff right here on my desk. And don't forget to like this video, hit that bell notification button so you never miss a mani with me. Bye guys!